Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to connect the PT-100 directly to PLC S7-200 Smart, CPU SR30 and expansion module EM AR02. Okay. In the previous video, I already show and share about how to connect the PT-100 or RTD to the PLC S7-200 Smart also, but using the temperature transmitter to convert from ohm to milliamp. Okay, so today I will connect the RTD to the PLC directly. Yes. So if everyone would like to connect directly, first we need to purchase the expansion module model EM AR02 or 04. 02 it means that we can use 2 PC of RTDs, and for 04 we can use 4 RTDs. Okay, and I will use the software SIMATIC MicroWin SMART version 2.5 to configure the CPU setting and the EM AR02 setting. Okay, so here is the drawing wiring that I just draw to easy to understand, and I will show more about how to connect the RTD and power supply to this PLC. Okay, and I will use SIMATIC WinCC Flexible to simulation to show the actual temperature of RTD. Okay, so first let's go to see the drawing wiring. So the drawing is very important. If we cannot wiring the connection, we cannot do anything, or it will not show the actual value of the PT-100 or RTD. Okay, so first let's go to see the drawing connection. Okay, so here is the drawing detail of this module. So first, here is the CPU SR30, yes, and here is the expansion module EM AR02, and here is the RTD 2 wires that I already connected to the PLC expansion module EM AR02. So we need to jumping the cable from M plus to I plus, M minus to I minus, and then we'll connect the RTD 2Y to this terminal. Okay, and for channel this channel also the same. M plus connect with I plus, M minus connect with I minus, and then connect the two cable to the RTD 2 wires. Okay, and here is the power supply to PLC 220 volts AC, and here is the 24 voltage that generate from the power supply inside here, that energize the power to supply the expansion module EM AR02. Okay, if we not connect this one, this cable 24 voltage DC, so this module is not working. Okay, and here is the address of this module. So it will start from AIW16 for channel number 1 and AIW18 for channel number 2. Okay, so this is a clearly drawing that easy to understand, yes, about how to wiring this module. Okay, so next step we will go to see the software to configure the CPU setting and expansion module setting. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so here is the software SIMATIC MicroWin SMART version 2.5 that I already installed in my PC. So let's go to open here. Okay, so first go to CPU setting. So here is the model of CPU, yeah, SR30, yes. And the next slot I will create the battery, yes, inside the CPU. And the next step is EM module, right? EM0. So we can go to see the EM AR02 like this. So let's see, here is the 2 AI RTD. If we choose for EM AR04, we can use 4 channels of analog input for connect with the RTD. And we can also choose the AT04. It means that TC thermocouple, we can also connect thermocouple. It means that input is millivolt to the directly to the PLC also. Okay, so in this video I will choose the EM AR02 because to match with my PLC, yes, hardware. Okay, and the address, it will start from AIW16 that I already saw in the slide presentation. So we need to setting the CPU. Example startup, I will start the CPU. And for the analog channel, the channel 0, yes, I will choose the thermal resistance 2 volts because right now I use RTD 2 volts. And here is the default, yes, default setting. So we no need to change this thing. And for channel number 1, I will choose terminal, yes, thermal resistance 2 volts also, yes, and choose the PT-100. Okay, it has many types that we can use. Example, PT-200, PT-1000, yes, but in this case I will use PT-100. Okay, and then choose OK. And to show the actual signal of the temperature from RTD, first let's go to choose the converter. I will convert from integer to double integer, yes. So integer to double integer. It's similar to be S7-300 also for this step. Okay, and I will use AIW16 for channel number 1, and I will convert from double integer to real, yes, double integer to real, and I will convert, yes, divide by 10 because it's the same as S7-300. So divide real. Okay, divide by 10.0. Okay, and for this variable, I will choose temporary variable. Example, var1. Okay, and the data type should be double integer. Yes. Okay, and this one I will choose var1. This one I will copy and paste here, and for this one I will create one more variable called var2, and the data type is real. Yes, because we convert from double integer to real, so I will choose real, and this one should be var2, and I will copy this one to this one, divide by 10.0, and then example md0. Yes, so we need to download this project to the PLC, right? So don't forget, use the always on, otherwise it will error. So SM0.0, and I will create one more channel. Yes, because I already connected the cable from PT-100 to channel number 1 and number 2. Okay, so I can copy this one, copy this one, and also copy this one and connect this one to here. Yes, for channel number 2. Then I will change this one to AIW18. Yes, channel number 2. And for this variable I will change to var3. Data type is double integer. Yes, so this one should be var3. Copy and paste, and this one also var4. The data type is real. This one should be var4, and I will copy and paste here, and then this one should be md4. Yes. Okay, so that's all. Let me compile the project. So error 0. Okay, and then we will download to the PLC, right? So before download to PLC, make sure we connect LAN cable or PPI cable from PC to the PLC. Yeah, but in this case I use LAN cable. Yeah, Ethernet cable. So I will put my computer IP address. Yes, right now the PLC IP address is PLC IP address 192.168.0.2. So I will put the manual IP address of my computer to, so PC IP address should be 192.168.2 something, but not .2. Okay, so example .253. Okay, so I will put my computer to 192.168.2.253, and the subject mask is 255.255.255.0 because it is class C. Then click OK. Okay, so first let's check the connection by using command from cmd, and then ping 192.168.2.2. yeah, ping to the PLC. Okay, and press enter. So it's so like this, it means that we can communication or connected the communication between our PC to the PLC. Okay, so we can go to download one, and then choose the adapter, yes, of a computer, and then choose the button find CPU as to detect the CPU. It means that detect between computer to the PLC CPU. So in this case, it detects one CPU that has IP address 192.168.2.2. It is here. Okay. So we can click OK to download. Yes. And then we will stop CPU. Okay. And we already run the CPU and we can online. Yes. So let's see here. Channel number 1 show around 25.8 degrees Celsius. And channel number 2 show around 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. So we need to show this actual temperature to the HMI, right? So let's go to HMI. So I will use WinCC Flexible 2000H SP5. Yes. And then create the new project. Yeah, create an empty project and then go to panel. I will choose the panel TP-177B 6-inch color. Yes. And then I will create the new connection. Yes, the new connection here. Example connection 1. So I will rename this one to PLC Smart. Okay. And then I will choose PLC S7-200. Yes. And then I will choose the Ethernet. So here is the IP address of computer, right? This one. So basically we can type 192.168.2.253, and here is the IP address of PLC. So this one 192.168.2.2. okay. .2.2. okay. And then I will create the text. Yes. So let's go to text. Example RTD 1. And it is the real, right? So let's check the address. MD0. So this one should be MD0. Okay. And we can command like actual temperature sensor 1. And the next step should be RTD 2. And the address is MD4. Yeah, the same here. And actual temperature sensor 2. Okay. And then we will create the screen. So let's change this background to be this color. Yes. And then I will use the text. Example RT sensor 1. Okay, I will change color to be okay, yellow color. And for the text I will adjust to 18. Center and then middle. Yes. Okay. And I will choose the I/O file to show the actual value of RTD. Okay, so it is the output, right? Okay, and then I will choose 999.9. Yes, decimal only 1, and then I will choose take. Yes, RTD 0, sorry, RTD 1. And for text, I will change a little bit for text around here. Yes, and then I will choose center and choose middle also. And for color, I will change to green. And for background, I will change to black. And for the cover, I will cover by white color. Yes, like this. And we need to choose the unit also, right? So basically we can copy from here and change to like this. Change like this. Okay, I will change to like this. Okay, the gray Celsius. Okay, and I can copy, yeah, by select here and then drag and drop. Yes, okay, like this. So I will change this one to center 2 and change the text to sensor 2 also. Yeah, so RTD 2. Okay, RTD 2. And then I will choose the text for background. Example, show the actual temperature from sensor. Okay, I will adjust this text size to be 12 like this. It's so small, right? So I will actual temperature from sensor, and I will adjust to be like this and change to ball like this. I will change a little bit size. Yes, okay, like this. Then I will change the color to be white color. Yes, actually the unit we can also choose the white color like this. Okay, and then we can simulation. Yes, okay, simulation to see the actual value of temperature. Yes, okay, right now it show 26 and 27.4. Yes, let's see here. Okay, the same as the PLC show. So I will hit the RTD to let everyone know, yes, about the actual RTD. Yes. So I will hit the channel number 1 first. Okay. let's see, channel number 1 is increase 47. Okay, 69, yes. And I will hit the channel number 2. Let's see. Okay. And I will show the actual connection that I connect. Yes. And I will explain a little bit about the actual connection. Okay, so here is the cable from the PT-100, yes, here. And then I jump the M plus with I plus, M plus with I plus, and M minus with I minus, and then connect to the RTD, yes. And here is one more channel, yes. The same, I jump M plus with I plus, M minus with I minus, and then connect to the RTD, 2 wires, okay. And here is the power supply, 220 volt AC, and here is the LAN cable that connect to the computer, yes. Okay, so like this. And I hope everyone will understand about this video about how to connection or how to create the block or CPU setting to show the actual value of the RTD. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you in the videos. Bye bye.